Today, I'm going to show you how to install ChatGPT on your phone. Now, I thought this would be a very simple video. Just download the app and start chatting. But I quickly discovered that the hardest part is not using ChatGPT. The hardest part is getting it installed and signed in for the very first time. You do this part only once on your first time, so that's a good news. It's like YouTube or Facebook. Once you're signed in, you normally stay signed in. Next time, you just tap the app and start using it. As I'm doing this process on my new iPhone, I recorded this. So let's do it together, one step at a time. If you have an iPhone, open the App Store. Type ChatGPT here. Look for the official ChatGPT app from OpenAI. If you have an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top. Type ChatGPT. Look for the official app from OpenAI. You may see several AI apps. Make sure you choose ChatGPT by OpenAI like this. Tap Open and get or install or download. Once the app finishes downloading, tap Open and Continue. Now you'll see a screen asking you to sign in or create an account. Don't worry if this looks confusing. You have a few choices. You can continue with your Apple account. You can continue with your Google account. You can use your email address or phone number. If you already have an iPhone, I recommend trying Continue with Apple first. You already created your Apple account on your phone to start to using it. It is often the easiest option for an iPhone. If you have Samsung or Android phone, you maybe try Continue with Google account. Google is built into the phone already. During phone setup, it usually asks you to sign in with a Google account. Many people already have one because they use Gmail, YouTube, Google Maps, or the Play Store. Some Android phones already come with Google's AI called Gemini. That's a different AI app, but you can use Gemini like ChatGPT. We will talk about Gemini some other time. Well, in this video, we're focused on installing ChatGPT, which is made by OpenAI. I actually ran into a problem while making this video. I tried signing in with Google on my new iPhone 17, and Google wanted to send a verification code to an older phone for security, but with Continue with Apple account option. It was easy. This happens when Google still thinks your old phone is your trusted device. If that happens to you, don't panic. You're not doing anything wrong. Try using different account instead or use your phone number to sign in. Remember, everyone's setup is a little different depend on your device, so you may see slightly different screens than I do, but should be similar to this. Just follow the instructions on your phone, and you'll be up and running in a few minutes. Once you've completed the sign-in process, your ChatGPT account is ready to go. Now here is the good news. As I mentioned earlier, you only have to do this setup one time. Many people worry they will have to sign in every time they want to use ChatGPT. You don't. After you're signed in, ChatGPT usually remembers you. The next time you want to use it, simply tap the ChatGPT icon on your phone. That's it. No need to create another account. No need to sign up again. Just tap the app and start chatting. Think of it like YouTube or Facebook. Once you're signed in, you usually stay signed in. Now, let's ask our very first question. You can type here anything. Instead of typing, tap Microphone and say, "Hello." Then tap Send. You will see answer as a written message like this. This time, tap Live button and start to talk back and forth like phone conversation. You talk and it talks back to you, actually speaking to you. Can you try? Just say, hello, on your first time. Don't get nervous.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
Congratulations! You are officially using AI, artificial intelligence. You can ask questions, get help writing messages, understand confusing letters, learn new technology, read tiny print, plan meals, and much more. In future videos, I'll show you exactly how to do all of those things. Please like and subscribe to learn more. For today, your mission is simple. Install ChatGPT, sign in, ask your first question, and remember if I can do it, you can too. Did you have any problem following this process? Comment below so others can see and learn. Thank you for watching Nana's Easy AI, where we're embracing the future one simple click at a time. God bless.
Learning AI can be easy and fun.